Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Measure carefully. Use 200 grams of marshmallows and 1/2 cup powdered sugar for coating. Add 30 grams of white chocolate or 1 teaspoon water to help adhesion and optional color. This will let petals stick and keep structure. Warm marshmallows in a microwave for 10-15 seconds at 600 W until pliable, not liquid. Dust your surface with 50 grams powdered sugar and have a small bowl of cold water to smooth edges. Keep a clean, dry pastry, mat about 12 by 12. Pinch off a 15-gram ball of warmed marshmallow and roll it between your palms. Repeat to make 12 petal blanks. Flatten each petal to about 3-5 inches across, using a rolling pin dusted with powdered sugar, then taper the outer edge with a damp fingertip to thin it. Build the rose by creating a 10-gram tight center bud, then overlap 6 to 8 petals around it, pressing gently at the base so they adhere. Rotate as you work to create natural asymmetry and avoid perfectly even spacing. For color, dilute 1 teaspoon gel food color with 5 teaspoons water and lightly brush petal edges for a gradient effect. Use a separate brush for each color. If you want firmer petals, chill completed roses 15 minutes in the refrigerator on a parchment-lined tray, then let them come to room temperature before serving to avoid condensation. Store roses in an airtight container layered with parchment for up to 48 hours at room temperature, or freeze flat for up to 2 weeks, thawing sealed to prevent sugar bloom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.